Hey guys, it's Traveling No Man's Translator here in South America. I'm a translator guy, personal assistant, traveling buddy, all of it. I'm walking up the hill here to the Graffiti Comunas 13. We provide tours throughout Central and South America. For more information on details, I'll be more than happy to assist you, to bring you to activities. Over 12 years of experience in tourism throughout Latin America and Brazil. Eu falo português também. Se eu preciso de ajuda, eu posso ajudar a você a conhecer Colômbia, diferentes partes de South America. So call me. I'll leave my information for more details.